I would like to share with you guys what I found here at 7-Eleven in Tokyo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like and share.
Just like any other 7-Eleven around the globe, 7-Eleven one of the most popular convenience shop. But here in Japan, you can even get men's magazine. But that's not the main purpose of I'm here. I want to show you what you should not miss here from 7-Eleven in Japan. Number 1 is Starbucks coffee. Number 2, Costa coffee. Number 3, all the pastries, waffle, churros, brioche, chips. Number 4, low-calorie chocolates, another chocolates. Number 5, sandwiches. Katsu chicken is the best, but they also have tuna and eggs as well. Number 6, onigiri or rice triangle. There are varieties of flavors. Number 7 is the onsen egg. I eat it almost every day. It's so delicious, it's fresh, and it's cheap. Number 8 is the omelette roll. Egg. Number 9 is dessert. You can find varieties of puddings on the fridge. Ta-da! So this is what I got from 7-Eleven. So let me show you a little bit. Oh, stop. I missed out number 10, the bamboo pickles.
Bamboo shorts and
Oh no, I missed out one more, number 11, the mochi peanut.
wow, this is so good.
This is so good. Oh, this is really good. So that's all for now, guys. If you guys have any tips to share or even some ideas about traveling to Tokyo, feel free to drop a comment.